Okay. To review, so these are all I got. This. Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand new haul. So in today's video I gonna show you my Nykaa hot pink sale haul slash it's gonna be a recommendation of all the makeup products and the skincare products that I am currently loving it. This is gonna be very pocket friendly, so everything I will be showing in today's haul gonna be under ₹1000, so it's a very budget friendly haul slash reco haul. So if you guys are interested to know what all I got in this vlog, please do carry on watching this video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time and if you are seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to beauty, makeup, lifestyle on this channel, so take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos. And without any further delay, now let's get quickly jump into the video. Okay, so if you are wondering what's wrong with my face, basically I do have a persistent eye infection on my right eye, so that's a little bit I can't do anything right now because I need to film it, although I'm very late anyways. Please ignore that, but we have this many products to show you. So this includes all the haul stuff and also some recommendation stuff that I gonna show you in today's haul. So from your base to the skincare and the lip liner, everything is included in this haul right there. Then so we will start first with my what is this? Okay, so we will start first with the skincare, and talking about the skincare, my most like the favorite face wash from all of them is gonna be this Simplecare face wash right there. Then in my previous hauls as well I did mention it thousands of times by far. मैंने हर जगह इसको mention किया है because that much I really love this product. I do know if you have this irritated skin or any skin type, this face wash will go for all the skin type girls right there. Then it's just like I tell you, if you have used this Bioderma face wash right there, it's a kind of dupe because it's a little expensive, and this one is so budget friendly. All the prices will be there on the screen, and I just love it. How soothing, how calm, and the best part is this is fragrance free, so absolutely love this face wash. And I do mind keep purchase every time when it comes on sale because amazing discounts when given. This product often get out of stock, so that and which shows how demand the product is in the market. Okay, so moving to the next one from the skincare is this toner. It's from I Am From. It's a brand name, it's a Korean brand right there, and this rice toner is so beautiful. It makes your skin look that plumped up, glossy, glass-like skin right there. Then but you can't really help with the genetics and the climate the Korean guys have. But then if you want to approach the slightest amount, this toner will do all the job right there. Your skin, oh my god, I have started using since the time I received this product, and it's so beautiful. It just made my, I used to use this traditional toner right there, then that targeted my pore, but after I started using this rice toner right there, then I felt like that glass like skin I am really building right there. And you can see I have used this toner for doing this makeup as well, how glossy and how beautiful my makeup looks right there. It prepares the skin so well, and the makeup stays on beautiful. It's not something that you need to apply just before makeup. It's something that should include it in your skincare right there. Then if you want to attain those glass-like and beautiful flawless filtered skin right there, this is a must-have. It's this much is like it's the 30 ml. I bought it. It's not the full size. I think it's a travel size, a good travel size. But anyways, if you are seeing a great discount on this particular product, you can definitely hands down get the full size as well. I have a lot of toner to try honestly, so I bought their travel size and I apparently loved it so much. I haven't used any rice toner before, and definitely this deserves all the hype it gets. So yeah, this is a must have. Okay, so talking about a very good lip balm right there for your pigmented lips and those who suffer from this chapped and pigmented lips right there, these products are for them. So I have advocated this product so many times, and even on the interview of Wishcare at the Wishcare office, I told that they asked me basically which are the top 3 products you love the most, and this has to be the first one, the topmost one, which is the Wishcare Ceramide Lip Balm. It contains watermelon, kojic acid, niacinamides and good ceramides right there, and it's such a beautifully slightly pigmented one on the pink side, but then I mean I have recommended this to my brother as well and they all love it. I mean they usually bought this for the pigmentation and stuff to reduce, and they apparently I made them purchase and then they really appreciate it. So I really love this, how beautifully it heals your lips at the same time does work with the pigmentation. So love it. Okay, so moving to the viral product of 2025 for the last couple of months, I would say this is all over my face. This is the L'Oreal Tinted Serum, 24-hour tinted serum, which has 1% hyaluronic acid in it. I mean, this serum is one of a kind. I do have their foundation, the Infallible range of foundation. Yeah, this is a 34-hour fresh wear infallible foundation right there. And then they are launching this tinted serum. I mean, it's such a beautiful product in itself for those who are going to college या office जहाँ पर तुम बिल्कुल भी foundation wear करना पसंद नहीं करते हो. This is the ultimate thing and you should get hands on this. So particularly I got this in the shade called 4 to 5 medium. The shade range is not much, but then I was really worried about why there is not a lot of shade range right there then, but it doesn't really matter because if you are taking the medium or the tan one and if you are similar to my shade range somewhere, both will go I think great, although according to your preference how you like your base you can really choose. I got the medium one, suits perfectly, and already I have shown you all how it looks upon application. I mean this one just blends. When I used to use the Fit Me's one, which is very heavy, and I liked it for the price point, then I was not very comfortable wearing for long hours, so I shifted to the L'Oreal one like last year maybe, yeah, for last year, and then they are launching this. I think this is the ultimate. It's so beautiful. It has this dropper application right there. It's like just your skin and then better. It got this beautiful texture. This one is not heavy at all. I do use a lot of tint in my daily wear, and this is a tint I have which is from the Swiss Beauty Select. It's lighter than the Swiss Beauty Select. This one will suit irrespective which type of skin girl you are. I'm a dry skin girl, so I absolutely love it. I think this will suit for oily skin girl as well, and it's very comfortable. That lightweight the formulation is. Next, another purchase from this sale itself, it's the Kay Beauty's HD Loose Powder. So I do sweat a lot, like my face sweats a lot, and especially in this humid weather right there. I mean, I don't know how to really make my this makeup last long, so I always wanted to get an affordable version of this setting powder and all, and so I tried a lot in my past, but I didn't really end up liking any of them until I found out this. So this is the HD Loose Powder from Kay Beauty. Oh my god, this one just mattifies, okay? It just soaks up all the excess oil and makes your skin look flawless, okay? So let me show you how the inner packaging look like. Already I did, but yeah, this is how basically the pot look like, and it's very easy to use. You do not get any sponges with this, but then you can have any puffs from your own collection right there then, and it so easily sets everything right there, and it's easy to use. Only sometimes I find ये ज़्यादा अच्छे से catch नहीं कर रहा, but then it's so beautiful. It mattifies everything right there and makes your makeup look perfect. And it's going on a huge discount, so that's the thing, you should again buy it and try upon yourself. You're gonna love it. Okay, so in the blush category, I do not have really new blush to try. I mean, this sentence will be probably wrong, but in the affordable section, I do not have any new blush to try. But I will definitely suggest you one of the beautiful blush that I don't know why I stopped using, but when I bought my high-end blush recently, I understood the importance of this blush right here. So this is the Pac X Sara Dewy liquid blush right there, and this blush is so beautiful. I have tried the expensive version also, so that's why I am again recommending you all this blush. This is such a beautiful blush. I have here the shade called Fudge Me Not, and this is what I'm currently wearing. You have already seen or seen the process as well of the application. This is how pigmented, I can't tell you. I mean, the pigmentation to the color payoff of this blush is so beautiful. I think they have another, the Fudge Me Not, and another one maybe, I don't remember exactly. Oh, Turkish Delight. They have another from this Pac X Sara range, which is the Turkish Delight, but I have this Fudge Me Not, which is a very beautiful corally blush right there for the brown skin girl, and applies so beautifully. The blending, the color payoff, and how pigmented these blushes are, I mean, genius. So definitely I do want to suggest this blush for sure, which is like not too affordable, but under ₹1000 section mein aata hai, and it's very good, and it will last you for a good period of time. So yeah. Okay, so now moving to the eyes, I do not have a new eyeshadow palette, but then in affordable section right there. But then I do have this one from Swiss Beauty, which I received in PR, which is nice, beautiful, affordable palette right there. I didn't buy it, that's why I'm telling. But then it's a very new. I got it in the last PR, last to last maybe PR, and I haven't used much. But then I so love it. When I was searching for eyeshadow palette for this haul especially, I found out again, and which is why this is very untouched one, because I do have many palettes jo mujhe khatam karna hai this year. But then this is so beautiful. It got all the best shades, like the browns and the shimmers, a little bit on the pink sides, and this is in 02, all the shades, and the palette name will be there on the screen along with the pricing. And this is so beautiful. In general, I do have a soft corner for Swiss Beauty and Swiss Beauty Select, and they're all those sister brands because I do work with them. But keeping all the biasness aside, I genuinely love their products that they promote this much, and they're so affordable, and they delivers with each and every product right there. You will see some other stuff from Swiss Beauty that I will be recommending in this haul itself, and it's such a beautiful palette. So yeah. Okay, so moving to the next stuff is this Mars ka eyebrow pencil right there. Also, this is one of my recurring recommendation product right there, because I do not use anything other than this Mars's eyebrow pencil, and I do absolutely love it. You know, I do not have a prominent eyebrows right there, and everything is a result of this product right there. So it's my go-to absolute favorite, and very inexpensive, so absolutely love this. Okay, so moving to the next stuff is this recent purchase from the Hot Pink sale right there. It's the Maybelline Tattoo Liner. It's a sketch pen kind of liner right there. It's so easy to use. I used to use this bag in the days, but then I got so many options to try, so I am now comfortable with the liquid liners, and these are something I often love it because it's very easy to use actually, and it's got this very nice pointed sharp ends right there. And oh my god, this is such a beautiful marker. It's such a beautiful liner right there, and it's easy to draw. It's a waterproof and smudge proof at the same time. I love my eyeliners to be waterproof, but not then the mascaras, because it takes off a lot of lashes right there, and this is a must have, and it's so inexpensive. Usually back in the days, I do remember the sketch pen markers eyeliners used to be very pricier, but now they are doing fab job at such an affordable price. So absolutely love it. Recent find, and absolutely love this. Okay, so for the mascaras, I have two options. One is from the Maybelline and another is from the Swiss Beauty right there. Both are sort of waterproof. This one is a proper waterproof mascara right there, smudge proof, waterproof. It's a very nice one, although I like this one more, although it's kind of a waterproof, but then it takes off so easily, and it's my day-to-day, like everyday mascara from Swiss Beauty. I absolutely love it. It gives such a precise and volumized, you know, lashes right there then, so absolutely love it. You can go for any. Maybelline does amazing job with their mascaras, and I do have their falsies, the lashes mascara as well. I have tried many of them, but these two are my current favorite, so that's why I'm recommending the same. This is again another 300 or 200 range, and this is almost like a 500 range, so accordingly you can choose, and both are beautiful. Okay, so coming to the lip range, and we all love this section, so I have some beautiful stuffs to, you know, recommend, and this time I got a beautiful shade right there. I love the Marse's Age of Desire lip liners. They are so creamy, they beautifully line your lips and make it so plump up. And also I'm currently wearing my latest purchase, which is this brown mocha. It's 12 brown mocha shade. It's a Marse's Age of Desire lip liner. It's such a beautiful shade right there. I mean, it cost you like 69-70 rupees or so, and they perform so well. Even the Huda Beauties, I tried the Huda Beauties lip liner. I don't own one, but ये उसको भी मात दे जाएगा. मतलब such affordable and does the job यार. Lip liner ही तो है, but then it's so good. So yeah, this will be my first recommendation, also my purchase from this haul. I love so much this range. I also do have my another favorite one, which is the 02 Dip Tone, and these are like, you can see literally how much I finished it, so that shows I really love this. So coming to the lipstick, I do have to recommend this one from Swiss Beauty Select. It's such a beautiful nude shade. I line my lips with the Age of Desire 1 to like the 12 brown mocha, and then I put in this one right there to create this ombre sort of effect, and I love this nude. If you wear it as it is, it might wash few brown skin girlies right there then, but if you do line it with the lips, it creates such a beautiful ombre lips right here as I've shown in this video. So this is amazing. The shade here I'm using is called the Nudist Love, and I received in PR, but nonetheless love the shade. So yeah. Okay, so my last purchase from this haul, I do believe that I have a lot of pink shades in higher prices and high-end lipstick, but then I do not have really that affordable pink shades. So I thought why not to go with the Marse's one. Now this one already I tried before, is their Marse's matte lipstick. I do have this one in the maroons and reds, and this time I thought let me go for the pinks because that was my demand. So I got this. This is how it looked like. It's a 02 peaches and nudes, and this is how beautiful the shades are. देखने में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, and these are the swatches that I have for you all. I mean, they are pretty comfortable. I do have in shorts how the formulation is, so I know how they will be actually, but the shades are this what I have received. I will do a shorts to show you all how it looks on my lips right there then, so you guys kindly stay tuned for that, for the swatches on my lips. But as it is, it looks, the hand swatches looks like this. These are like a pretty beautiful shades. I will try out and tell you all how the reviews goes. So yeah, that's pretty much of this haul. Also, I do have one sensational liquid matte lipstick from this Maybelline to try, that came as a freebie sort of thing. So that's pretty much of it. Yeah, that's pretty much of the haul. So I hope you love this haul / recommendation video of mine. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge fat thumbs up, and I will see you all super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so